What's up, everybody? It's Oscar here, and let's be real. Who wouldn't want to be a YouTuber with millions of subscribers? But putting yourself out there isn't for everyone, and that's totally cool. You know me, I love a challenge and figuring out how to crush it on YouTube without ever showing your face. That's a challenge I'm down for. So whether you're camera shy or just want to keep your personal life private, we're about to dive into the top 5 faceless YouTube niches that can help you rake in that sweet, sweet cash in 2024. Remember, picking the right niche is like choosing the right video idea. It can make or break your channel. So buckle up, smash that like button, and let's get this show on the road. First up, we're diving into the world of chill vibes and inner peace with meditation and relaxation videos. These videos are not just a trend, they are becoming a staple in many people's daily routines. Now I know what you're thinking. Doesn't everyone and their grandma have a meditation channel these days? It seems like the market is saturated, right? And yeah, you're right, there's definitely some competition, but don't let that discourage you. But here's the thing, this niche is booming. The demand for relaxation and mindfulness content is growing exponentially. The world's a stressful place, and people are craving ways to unwind, de-stress, and find their center. With the rise of remote work and the constant barrage of information, mental health has never been more important. That's where you come in. You have the opportunity to create a sanctuary for viewers, a place where they can escape the chaos of everyday life. You don't need to be a Zen master or anything. Just create calming content, whether it's guided meditations, nature sounds, or even just some soothing music with some cool visuals. The key is consistency and authenticity. And the best part? You can literally do this from anywhere. Whether you're in a bustling city or a serene countryside, your creativity knows no bounds. Imagine chilling on a beach in Bali, sipping on a coconut, while your channel is racking up views and ad revenue. It's the ultimate dream, combining work and relaxation. Plus, with sponsorships from meditation apps and wellness brands, the earning potential in this niche is seriously sensational. You can collaborate with brands that align with your content, offering products that enhance your viewers' experience. And let's not forget the community you'll build. Engaging with your audience, reading their comments, and knowing that you're making a positive impact on their lives is incredibly rewarding. So if you're ready to embark on this journey, start creating and sharing your unique take on meditation and relaxation. The world is waiting for your Zen vibes. Next up, we're talking about a niche that's perfect for all you news junkies out there: automated news channels. Imagine having the power to broadcast the latest headlines and breaking news stories without ever having to leave your home or set foot in a traditional news studio. This is where you become the next big news source, all without ever stepping foot in a studio. With the rise of technology, you can now create a fully automated news channel that runs on autopilot. Basically, you're creating a channel that delivers the latest headlines and news stories using AI-generated voices and visuals. These AI tools can read and interpret news articles, then convert them into engaging video content. Sounds complicated? It's actually way easier than you think. With user-friendly software, you can set up your automated news channel in no time. There are tons of tools and software out there that can help you automate the entire process, from sourcing news articles to creating the videos themselves. These tools can pull news from various sources, summarize the content, and even add visuals and voiceovers. Think of it like having your own personal news team working for you 24/7. The AI never sleeps, ensuring that your channel is always up to date with the latest news. And the best part? People are hungry for quick and easily digestible news, especially on platforms like YouTube. In today's fast-paced world, viewers prefer short, concise news updates that they can watch on the go. So if you can deliver the news in a clear, concise, and engaging way, you'll be raking in the views and the ad revenue in no time. The more engaging your content, the more likely viewers are to subscribe and share your videos. Plus, you can even niche down further by focusing on specific topics like tech, finance, or entertainment news. Specializing in a particular niche can help you build a loyal audience who trusts you as an expert in that field. By analyzing news trends and creating a content calendar, you can ensure that your channel stays relevant and continues to grow. Consistency is key in the world of automated news channels. Keep an eye on your analytics to see what works and what doesn't. Celebrate your channel's growth and keep refining your strategy to become a true faceless news mogul. Alright guys, let's talk about a niche that's all about luxury and high-ticket commissions virtual real estate tours. Imagine being able to sell multi-million-dollar mansions without ever leaving your couch. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not just a dream anymore. It's a reality, thanks to the power of virtual reality technology. Now, you don't need me to tell you that the real estate market is booming. Everywhere you look, properties are being bought and sold at record speeds. But what if you could tap into this lucrative market without the hassle of physical showings and open houses? People are always looking for their dream homes, and what better way to give them a sneak peek than with an immersive virtual tour? These tours allow potential buyers to walk through properties as if they were actually there, giving them a real feel for the space and layout. Here's the beauty of it. You don't even need to film the tours yourself. With the right software, you can create stunning virtual tours using existing photos and videos. This means you can offer high-quality tours without the need for expensive equipment or a film crew. You can partner with real estate agents and property management companies to get access to their listings. These partnerships can be incredibly beneficial as they provide you with a steady stream of properties to feature on your channel. They get awesome marketing materials, and you get to create killer content that's in high demand. It's a win-win situation. Plus, by showcasing these properties, you can attract a larger audience to your channel, increasing your reach and influence in the real estate market. Think about it. People can explore stunning properties from the comfort of their own homes, all thanks to your channel. This convenience is a huge selling point, especially for busy professionals or those who live far away from the properties they're interested in. And with the rise of VR technology, the possibilities for creating truly immersive experiences are endless. You can offer 360-degree views, interactive floor plans, and even virtual staging to help potential buyers envision themselves in the space. Plus, you can even monetize your channel through affiliate marketing, promoting furniture, decor, and other home-related products. By recommending items that complement the properties you're showcasing, you can earn commissions on sales and add another revenue stream to your business. So, why not start today and turn your passion for real estate into a profitable venture? Okay, this next niche is perfect for all you tech-savvy creators out there, AI-generated voiceover tutorials. Now, you might be thinking, wait, AI voices, isn't that a little robotic? And yeah, in the past maybe, but AI voice technology has come a long way, baby. These days, you can find AI voices that sound incredibly realistic and engaging. And the best part? You don't need to be a voiceover artist yourself to create awesome tutorial content. Think about it. You can create tutorials on literally any topic you can imagine, from software tutorials and cooking recipes to educational explainers and even language learning videos. And because the competition in this niche is still relatively low, you have a real opportunity to carve out your own space and become a go-to resource for high-quality AI-powered tutorials. Last but not least, we're talking about a classic faceless YouTube niche that stood the test of time compilation and top 10 videos. This niche is all about curating and compiling the best, most interesting, or funniest clips around a specific theme. And the best part? You don't even need to create the original content yourself. You can find clips from other YouTube videos, movies, TV shows, and even social media. Now, I know what you're thinking. Isn't that copyright infringement? Don't worry, I got you. As long as you're using the clips under fair use guidelines and giving proper credit, you're good to go. The key here is to add your own unique spin to the compilations. Whether it's through your editing style, music choices, or even just the way you structure the videos, you need to make it your own. And the beauty of this niche is that it's evergreen. So there you have it, guys. The top 5 faceless YouTube niches that can help you achieve your dreams of online success without ever having to show your face. Remember, the most important thing is to choose a niche that you're passionate about and that you can see yourself creating content for in the long run. Because when you're passionate about what you're doing, it shows, and that's what's going to keep those viewers coming back for more. If you're ready to take the plunge and start your faceless YouTube journey, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. And as always, thanks for watching.